How you doing, guys? Welcome to another edition of this do-it-yourselfer channel. Today I'm going to install this double light. It's usually done in hotel rooms, where you have two beds, as you can see right here, two beds, and this goes right in the middle. All right, but sometimes you might want to do it at home. Which either one is the case, I'm gonna install it and show it to you. So this lamp, it comes with this little plate. I already installed those bolts there, and this, it goes through there, and then it comes out through those orifices. And that's it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you on the wall. I'm gonna put it like probably about a 50 and a half up. All right, I'm not gonna measure because the distance is not important in this case. I'll show you what I do. So I put two screws. I'm gonna put level, and I'm gonna level it out. Right there, it's level, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to paint these two and this one right here. That's where I'm going to put the bolts. Or perhaps this one right here. Why in here? So if I need to move it, it can be moved to one side. Okay. So I'm gonna mark two holes. And right now I'm gonna mark this. This is where I want it. This is where it's supposed to be level. And I'm gonna put it right here in the middle, just in case it needs to be moved a little bit, you have access to move it. All right, so I'm gonna take it out. All right. This one and this one. That's where I'm gonna be putting the holes. This is the level. Alright, guys, so I like to use this type of pop toggles. That's what they're called. I like them. There's plenty of them. There's another one, they're easier. I don't know, I just got used to it of this one, but you can use any of them. So I choose to get a 5/8 pop toggles. If you read the instruction on the back, it tells you to use a 5/16 drill bit. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make two holes of 5/16 drill bit, right what I told you that I was gonna do the holes. Push a little bit and you stay right there. So right here, it's wood. On top of them is not. So right here on the bottom, I'm not gonna need a a toggle, only on one side, because I got wood. All right. So I said it was right there and right there. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to screw it. I'm going to bring this side. And this over here. And I'm going to screw the whole thing. All right. So I said it was going to be that, isn't it? Or perhaps like this. Supposedly that was going to be level, but anyhow, I'm just going to do another level in here. Okay, so it's right there. That's where it's supposed to be level. Right there. Let me show you what I'm going to do right here. Anyway. Okay. So, like I said, one of the toggles does not need it. I don't know where. So I'm going to use one of the screws that it came with the this. And made a mistake. I have to put the pop toggle, and this is what you do. You bend it in, you stick it in the hole, hammer it, and you won't believe how strong that is, guys. Once that thing is in, you gotta, it comes with this little tool. You push it in. That opens up on the back, and we're ready to put a screw in. This is really strong. Wrong. Right. So before I tighten these up, I want to make sure this is level again. I use the 2 screws. Level it out. And it seems like it's right there. So I'm just gonna tighten this up. And it's level. See? Alright. Now that I have that, all I gotta do is bring this in. Okay, like this. And I gotta put the screws there. So now the whole thing looks crooked, but it's this what is crooked, not the thing. All right, I'm gonna put the level right here. And that's level. So I got the lamp installed. I'm gonna put the light bulbs and I'm gonna run the wire through the back. And this is done. If this is done, this is how I install the lamp into the wall. I'm gonna show you the final process. I mean the final thing. Once I got the light bulbs and everything on, I don't have to show you that because that's real easy. Okay guys, see you in a little bit. To install the light bulbs, you have to remove this nut. You're gonna install the shade and then the nut. Alright, I don't know if you can see that, probably not. But I'm putting the nut right there. Make it tight. And then the light bulb. The light bulb itself. Alright. Yeah, so we got one shade. Alright, so we got one shade. And we just do the same thing on the other one. Alright guys, and bingo, I got this lamp, double lamp installed in the wall. It comes with the AC 110 plugs, pretty steady on the wall. And this is it guys. Thank you for bearing with me on this video. See you in another one. Please don't forget to subscribe because I'm gonna be making some very epic videos.